In today's tips video, I'm going to show you how to make a few adjustments on your machine to make your pebble quilting look extraordinary. When you're going to do pebble quilting, the first thing you want to do is change and make sure that you have your stitch length set at a higher stitch count. I have mine set at 18 stitches per inch. I have it in cruise mode, and I also have turned my cruise mode up to 125. I also have made sure that my needle is in the down position so that every time that I pause, my needle will stay in the down position and I won't get an ugly stitch. So when you make those adjustments on your machine to do pebble quilting, you will notice that your pebbles are coming out more rounded and less jagged. Thank you for watching this video.